Hey guys, what's going on? It's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. In today's video, I'm just going to show you quickly how you can log out of all your Facebook sessions on multiple devices at once. So the first thing you need to do is come across to facebook.com. And if you do find this helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel for more how-tos, step-by-step tutorials and tips and tricks for anything tech and digital related. So once we get to facebook.com, you need to come to this arrow here in the top right hand corner which says account. Give that a click. Then you want to come down and click onto settings and privacy. And then you want to go ahead and click the top option here which says settings. And from here, if you look in the left hand side, there's a menu. You need to click onto the second one down which says security and login. And if you look here, it's going to show this box here where it says where you're logged in. If you look here, there's a see more button here. So if you go ahead and give that a click. And what you want to do is just scroll down. It's going to bring up a list of all the devices that you've got signed into your Facebook. So any computers, phones, tablets that are currently logged into Facebook, your Facebook would appear here. And what you need to do right at the bottom, you'll see here there's a button which says log out of all sessions. If you go ahead and give that a click, and it's going to come up with a confirmation saying this will log you out of Facebook from every device you're currently logged in on. If you didn't log in on any of these devices, we can help you secure your account. So if you're scrolling through and you see an unusual login on there, say, I don't know, someone's logged in Russia and you're in America, or you know you're in the UK and someone's logged in Spain, what you can do, there's an option here which says secure your account, and you can actually go through with Facebook and get your account secured and get a new password in place. However, if all the devices coming up there look okay to you and you're absolutely happy, all you need to do is come across here and click onto log out. And that's going to log you out of all your devices on Facebook. So I hope you found that helpful. If this video did help, please leave a like and comment below. And do consider subscribing to the channel for more awesome tutorials.